Does closing background apps actually make your phone faster? It's something we've all done, but is it helpful, or is it just a myth? Stick around to uncover the surprising truth. Welcome to Logic Lab, where we unravel myths with logic and facts. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest misconceptions in the smartphone world, the idea that closing apps makes your phone faster and saves battery. It's a situation we've all been in. Your phone feels sluggish, so you swipe away all those apps running in the background hoping it will speed things up. But what's really happening? The myth comes from the belief that these background apps are actively running and draining your phone's resources. It feels logical, fewer apps, less strain. But here's the twist, your phone doesn't work that way. Modern smartphones are designed to handle multitasking efficiently. When you leave an app, it's often paused or frozen, not running. This means it's not using your processor or draining significant battery. In fact, keeping apps in memory allows the system to reopen them faster. When you force close an app, you're making your phone work harder. Reopening the app requires the system to load it from scratch, which uses more CPU power and drains more battery. It's like shutting down your computer every time you step away from it. Even tech giants like Google and Apple advise against force closing apps. They've built their operating systems to manage resources in the background, better than we can manually. Now, there are exceptions. If an app is frozen, crashing, or behaving oddly, force closing it can help. But for everyday use, it's unnecessary. So the next time you're tempted to clear out those apps, remember, your phone is smarter than you think. Let it do its job, and you'll save time, battery, and frustration. Did you find this surprising? If you're ready to bust more myths and uncover the truth behind everyday habits, hit that subscribe button and join us here at Logic Lab. See you in the next video.